Karam Babu Foundation presents Laws of Karam, the online tutorial video for the Karam lovers, Karam players and candidate referees. This Laws of Karam has 20 chapters. We will go by chapter wise. The chapter 1, Karam Equipments. Karam equipment means the complete set of instrument to conduct the tournament. Carom board, stand, stool or chair, coins, striker, powder and stand. These are the Chapter 1A, Carom board in international standards. The carom board should be made as per the diagram. A, playing surface 73.5 cm to 74 cm. B, frame 6.35 cm to 7.60 cm. C, pocket should be made 4.45 cm dia. D, baseline should be 47 cm. E, baseline thickness should be 0.5 cm to 0.65 cm. G, base circle should be 3.18 cm dia and inner circle should be 2.45 cm. Arrow length should be 26.7 cm. Arrow to pocket gap should be 5 cm. Center circle 3.18 cm and the outer circle should be 17 cm. Chapter 1B, Carom men. The carom men used in play shall be of good quality wood and circular in shape. The diameter of a carom shall not be more than 3.18 cm and not less than 3.02 cm. A carom shall be of not less than 0.7 cm and not more than 0.9 cm in thickness. The edge shall be round and plain. The weight of the carom shall not be less than 5 gram and not more than 5.5 gram. Thus shall be 9 white, 9 black and 1 red carom, and they shall be uniform. The carom shall have a smooth movement in a flat position on the playing surface of the carom board when struck by the striker of a standard specifications. C. Striker. The striker shall be smooth and round with a diameter of not more than 4.13 cm and weighing not more than 15 grams. A striker made of any materials other than ivory and metal with the specification prescribed above may be used. A striker with the metal fixed and visible to the eyes shall not be allowed. Engraved decent designs on the striker are permissible. D. Table or stand. The table or stand on which the carom board is placed for play shall not be less than 63 cm and not more than 70 cm in height. The carom board, when placed on it, shall not be uneven or shaky. However, padding below the carom board and or the table or stand on which the carom board is placed may be used to make the playing surface of the carom board level and firm as far as possible. E. Stool or chair. The stool or chair on which the player sits for playing shall not be less than 40 cm and not more than 50 cm in height. The chair, if used, shall be armless. F. Powder. The powder used shall be of high quality to keep the playing surface smooth and dry. The powder shall not be wet. Pouches or containers filled with powder shall be used to spread the powder evenly over the playing surface. G. Nets. The pocket shall be fully covered from beneath by nets fixed at the bottom of the carom board. Each net shall have the capacity of holding at least 10 carom men. H. Light. The light shall be hung or fitted at a convenient height above the carom board so that when a conical or square shade, preferably of metal, is used, the light shall fall only on the carom board including the frame. Shade shall be one with the inner side completely snow white in color. The bulb used, preferably transparent white, shall be between 60 and 100 watts. However, the height of the light can be altered at the request of a player in such a manner that the light does not strike the naked eyes of the players.